Hi everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I've got a Nadine West bag to share with you. This bag has the best quote. My friend Linda Roy and I are sticking to this motto. We could give up shopping, but we're not quitters. Don't you love it? So, my plan was actually to pause or cancel this subscription for a little while. My last bag was not bad. I did find a couple of keepers from it, but you know what? I feel like the prices increased and the quality really didn't. And so I wanted to just give it a break. But life gets busy, and I put the bag back in the mail and shipped it back to them, but never went online to pause, because with Nadine West, you don't go online to check out. You just send what you don't want back and they check out for you. You can go online and leave feedback on your items so they know, what worked and what didn't, which I probably should be doing. But yeah, I didn't go online. So after this bag, I have to make it a point to go online. $9.78 for shipping, but it does get applied to anything in your bag you keep. So let's see if there's any keepers in here so I can get this back before I get charged, because yep, I don't want that to happen. All right, I'll be right back. We'll start with the try on. Okay, so the top is by Zenana. Now there's two tops on here that are listed as light green. Now I can't figure out which one this one is. See the top? There's a Sabrina top and a Layna top. They're both, well, one's $39.99, one's $36.99. I can't figure out which one it is. So the price, I don't know, for this top, 100% polyester. It's an extra large. What do you think? I mean, I think it's just not, it almost feels cheap, I don't know if it looks cheap, but yeah, it's not like a nice polyester. I like polyesters, and I wear polyester, but it just doesn't feel well made. I do like the neckline. I love the color of this top. I do like the sleeves. I just don't know. I don't know if I like the cut of the top through the body. You know what I mean? I think it just needs a little bit more shape. Kind of just hangs. Yeah, not a good look. All right, let me show you the back of it. I do really like the length of this top too. And if you're a person that likes to cover your arms, your upper arms, this would be a good top too. I do like the sleeve length, but I just don't care for the cut, and it just feels cheap. So yeah, I'm gonna send this one back. Okay, now, and I think it's kind of pricey for what it is too. Yeah. All right, let me talk about the bottom. So they sent me a pair of jeans. I've never received a pair of jeans from them before. So the jeans are by, oh gosh, JVini. That's what the brand was. And these are the jean, dark blue jeans, $24.49. Not a bad price. They do have some distressing. It is just an elastic waistband here, so it doesn't zip up or anything like that. And you can see the distressing on the upper leg. They're actually very comfortable. What do you think? I like the wash of them. They do have pockets in the back. So they have pockets. Oh yeah, pockets right here too. What do you think about them? I mean, not a bad price. Maybe if I need an item to use my shipping charge, these might be it. Let me show you the back. I mean, I do really like the wash of them. I couldn't wear these to work because of the distressing. Okay, so I got cut off, but I might keep these jeans, like I said, if I need something to cover that shipping charge. Oh yeah, there's some distressing up here. I'm feeling it. Let me know what you think. All right, I'll be right back with the next piece. Okay, so this is the other Zenana premium top. This one is, I think this one might be the Layna, and the other one was the Sabrina. Let's just call it that. Hopefully I'm right. It's in light green. It makes it so hard. I wish they would just list the brand, make it a little bit easier, or on the tag. I couldn't find it on the tag either. So, all right. $36.99. It's an extra large, and it's polyrayon spandex blend for the fabric. What do you think? I just don't think it's flattering. Like, it has an elastic neckline here, and I don't know how I feel about the ruching detail, and it's because I'm larger chested, and it just kind of sits in the middle. Yeah, not flattering. The length, it is kind of more of like a tunic length. It's very long. I mean, you could pull it up, I guess. It does have an elastic waistband, so I guess you could pull it up and let it hang over. But I put on the gray leggings they sent to me, and so I want to just cover them up a little bit. What do you think about it? I mean, I don't know. I don't think it's a flattering cut. I don't. And it's kind of pricey for what it is. I feel like $36.99 is a little bit pricey for this top. Yeah, I'm just thinking of tops that I could find that are, because I'm not trying to be like, you know, mean. You know I'm not like that. But I'm finding pieces in the store that are more special than this, and they're cheaper. They're more unique. And I'm willing to pay, you know, money for special items in some of my boxes, but the items that I get are special. They're unique. I love them, and I just don't love this one. I don't. Nope. I don't know. All right, let me show you the back. All right, let's talk about these gray leggings. So the gray leggings, remember last time they sent me a pair of gray leggings, and boy, were they sheer. These are not sheer. These are, oh gosh, I'm so sorry. I forgot to look at the brand. I'll remember to list the brand below. These are by, or the name of them, I should say, is Sel. They're in charcoal, $31.99. Okay, see, I have a hard time paying $31.99 for leggings because you know what? Old Navy had their leggings for $6.99 the other day. Yeah, and they're pretty good quality. Yep. All right, so I do like the color of them. Yeah, but I'm not gonna pay $31.99 for these. Nope. Here, I'll show you what they look like. I don't know. I mean, they're comfortable and they fit nice. They're a good length, as you can tell. I'll show you the back. Yeah, I just feel like they're pricey. Yeah, I'm not trying to be negative because you know that's not me, but yeah, just too pricey. All right, I'll be right back. I have 2 more pieces to show you, so let me put those on. Okay, so the top is by Zenana Premium. This is the Jaicee Solid Marsala top, $30.99. No. It's a 95% rayon, 5% spandex. The prices. And then I have on these black leggings, and these, they didn't have a brand. And I don't like when I can't find a brand. These are the Sheridan leggings in black, $13.19. They're very thin. I don't even think I can show you the back because they're so thin. Yeah, just not a good sight. Yeah, super, super thin. I don't need another pair of black leggings. Well, I guess we could always use another pair, but no, I'm not gonna get these. So this top, I love the color of this top. The neckline's not bad, but I was saying this the other day about a top like this. I can see it being very clingy. Yep, just very clingy. Even if like tops like this fit, they just cling. You know, they don't really move, they cling. And then it has these cutouts on the sleeve. I'm not a fan. I know, you know, they're not bad. It gives it a little bit of character, I guess, but it's just not me. So, the length is good. Can you tell I'm not thrilled? But that's okay, because I get so many clothing boxes. All right, let me show you the back of this top. We'll talk about the leggings really quick. All right, so I told you the brand, or the name of the leggings, I should say. They're just a pair of black leggings. They are a bit long. They do feel thin. I'm not gonna pull up my shirt to show you because I think, like I said, they're pretty thin. But what do you think? I mean, there's a basic black legging. The ones they sent me last time I kept, and they're a bit thicker. They felt like better quality. These don't feel like the same quality as the ones that they sent me last time. I am happy with the ones that they sent last time. Those are really nice. I wear them a lot around the house, and I wear them for walking. Let me show you the back of these. So yeah, these are going back. All right, let's just do a quick recap here. So I think the only thing that I'm going to keep is the, you know, I don't even know, the jeans, or maybe I should just send everything back. I might just send everything back. Yeah, maybe. I mean, I do have that $9.78 shipping charge. The jeans were $24.49, so I'd have to pay an extra what? Oh, and I do have, you know what they put on here? $5. We noticed you haven't liked anything in a while. To make up for it, we've added credit as an apology. So I have what? I have the $9.78, so I have about $15. So I guess I'd pay an extra like 10 bucks for the jeans. I don't know, maybe. I'll watch back and see what I think. But you know, I have a ton of denim too, so not that I need more denim. I just don't hate to lose that fee. Sometimes that gets me. Okay, so I was just finishing up my recap and I got cut off again. So I'm sorry that I got cut off twice in this video. I'm like, maybe I should redo it, but nope. It's real life. Sometimes we get interrupted, don't we? So anyway, so yeah, I think I'm gonna have to look back and see what I think about the pieces before I mail them back, but not a lot of keepers in this box. So I am gonna go on and pause this subscription for a while because I get so many boxes that I love, and I'm doing some more shopping hauls on my own, and I'm finding some great pieces, and I'm getting good at finding sales. So I'm gonna stick to that for a while and put this one on the back burner. So thanks so much for watching and for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope you're all doing well, and I will see you in my next video.